Domagoj Dukic, BMW's head of design, recently took to Instagram to unveil images of the once-planned successor to the BMW i8, the i16. This revelation brought to light a project that aimed to push the boundaries of design and performance, building on the legacy of the i8 with a new, more production-ready model, inspired by the Vision M Next concept introduced at BMW's 2019 Next Gen conference in Munich. Despite its innovative design and promising features, the i16 project was unfortunately shelved due to the economic ramifications of the 2020 economic slowdown, with its feasibility hindered by high production costs and projected low sales volumes. The design of the i16 was notably inspired by the classic BMW M1, especially evident in its rear design, showcasing louvers on the rear glass and debossed sections on the fenders that echoed the M1 side inlets. The Vision M Next concept, the foundation for the i16's design, was equipped with a hybrid-assisted four-cylinder engine boasting a total system output of 600 horsepower, capable of hitting 62 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds and achieving a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Details on whether these specifications would have been retained for the i16 production model remain unspecified. Moreover, the i16 intended to adopt the carbon fiber reinforced plastic monocoque structure from the i8, emphasizing the continuity and innovation within BMW's sports car portfolio. Had it proceeded to production, the i16 was expected to launch around 2022, shortly after the conclusion of the i8's production run. Ducic's Instagram post offers a tantalizing glimpse into what could have been a significant evolution in BMW's storied history of creating visually striking and high-performance vehicles.